Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on how to draw a cartoon. Today, I'm going to be taking you to a whole different new classroom. Well, outside the classroom, actually a schoolhouse. I actually created a 3D rendering of a cute little schoolhouse. So, if you have your pencil and paper and ready for a challenge, I think you're up to having a fun lesson today. All right, let's begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. I know that was a real challenge for some of you, but I hope you really persevered and made it through it. And if you haven't, practice looking over it again and do step by step. I know you'll be able to handle it and even possibly learn how to draw some other buildings of some sort. So, as always and always and always, if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to say big thanks to all you big buds out there. Appreciate that. And if you haven't, just hit that little button down there. Yeah, simple. Anyway, so thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.